In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your settings in Email HubSpot. Let's dive right in and make sure your email settings are optimized for your needs. To begin, navigate to your user guide in HubSpot. This is your starting place and will get you oriented with the essential tools available to you. Once you're there, look for the Settings option, and clicking on Settings opens up a world of customization, allowing you to tailor your email experience to fit your specific requirements. Now, once you've clicked into the Settings area, your next stop is the Email section. This is where you will manage all things related to email configuration. As you click on Email, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. You'll notice different tabs that allow you to configure your email setup, enhancing your communication capabilities within HubSpot. The next step is to focus on the double opt-in settings. It's an important feature designed to confirm that your recipients genuinely want to receive your emails, which helps maintain a healthy email list and improves deliverability. When you click on Double Opt-in, consider your current setup. Think about whether it aligns with your goals for email engagement and user experience. After configuring your opt-in settings, direct your attention to the Subscriptions area. Here, you have control over the different ways subscribers can receive your content. Click on Subscriptions and review the current categories. This ensures your audience receives only the email types they are genuinely interested in. It's both efficient for your email marketing strategy and considerate of your subscribers' preferences. From there, you'll want to click on Subscription Types. This gives you a detailed view of the specific categories your subscribers can choose to receive. It's essential to verify that these types are current and relevant. This approach not only helps in segmenting your audience effectively, but also in crafting personalized and engaging content that reaches the right people. The final area we need to cover in this tutorial is tracking. Click on Tracking to explore how HubSpot captures and reports data on your email performance. This section helps you understand key metrics, empowering you to adjust your strategies based on solid, data-driven insights. It's an excellent opportunity to measure your success and make informed decisions moving forward, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully reviewed and optimized your email settings in HubSpot. Remember, having your settings correctly tailored not only enhances your email marketing efforts, but also improves your relationship with your subscribers. Now you're all set to make the most out of HubSpot's tools and features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more tips and tricks.